Hello guys, welcome back. So in this part we're going to be designing the hinge pin. That's the one you're seeing on my screen here. Alright, so let's design this part. Create a new part here. Set it to D sketch. Let's use the XY plane. Alright, let's project geometry. I want to project our y-axis and our x-axis. Right click OK. Select these axes, make them construction line. Alright, so now select the line 2 and this length is supposed to be 50.5 millimeters. Right click OK. Alright, and then the next thing, let's join this. No, don't tell. Right, let's move this to the top here. And the height of this is supposed to be 2.9 divided by 2. Right. Now let's draw a circle. Alright, our circle is supposed to have a diameter that is equal to supposed to be times 2. Right click OK. Alright, so the next thing, let's use tangent constraint. This circle, its tangent is this one. Circle and also tangent to that one. Right click OK. Now let's use the trim tool. Let's remove this part here. Okay, so I can't remove that because of the dimension here. Let's move this somewhere there. Select the trim tool. Come on. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do, let's draw a line here that will be bisecting our circle. Back to the origin here. Click OK. Now we can dimension this. We can trim this or split it. Okay. Okay, let's go with alright, so let's go with split command here. Want to split our circle. Oh, come on, let's delete the dimension and then trim. Can trim this part. Right click OK. We can't trim this because it's being used as a reference of our dimension here. So let's make it a construction line. Okay. Then let's dimension this. So our dimension is accept. That's our radius. Alright, one dimension is needed. Auto dimension 2. Apply. Just repeating the same thing. Done here. Alright, so let's copy everything. Select the meter 2 and our meter line is the y-axis. Apply. Done. Fully constrained. Finish this. Select the revolve command and our axis is this one here. Click OK. So we have got our pin here. Alright, so let's change the material to polypropylene and the color is anodized black. we're done. So let's save this. All right, so first need to, let's close this, save. So it's going to replace this one here, the hinge pin. Yes, replace it. All right, so we're done. So in our next tutorial, we're going to be assembling all the parts together to build our Autobot Toolbox. So if you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.